which is going to be held at national level in Goa at Padam Complex. Yeah. So with us we have the president of Amateur Archery Association, Kiran Kandolkar, vice secretary of Archery, treasurer of Amateur Archery Association of India, Sri Joris sir, and vice president of Archery Association of India, Sri Chetan Tavlekar, and secretary of Goa Archery Association, Sri Jason Garces. Over to you, sir.
वेलकम सगळ्यांक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मिडिया, प्रेस मिडिया, आर्चरी एसोसिएशन गोवा तशेंच स्पोर्ट्स ऑथॉरिटी गोवा हांच्या जोड पालवान इंडोर आर्चरी, ओपन इंडोर आर्चरी आमी पयलेच फावट हांगासर गोंयांत घडोवन हाडटा. त्या निमतान एज व्यासपीठार आमचे ऑल इंडिया फेडरेशन आर्चरी फेडरेशनाचे ट्रेजरर डॉक्टर जॉरीस, तशेंच वायस प्रेसिडेंट ऑल इंडिया आर्चरीजाचे बाब चेतन कवळेकर, गोंय आर्चरीजाचे जनरल सेक्रेटरी बाब जेसन, जॉइंट सेक्रेटरी बाब अजय यादव आणि तुम्ही सगळे येता ते 24 तारीख ते 29 तारीख मेरेन म्हापसा दयानंद बांदोडकर इंडोर स्टेडियमान भारताच्या इतिहासातली पहिली इंडोर ओपन आर्चरी टुर्नामेंट वो सगळे कॅटेगरींतली कॅटेगरी इन सेन्स अंडर 10, अंडर 13, अंडर 15, अंडर 18, 21 तसेच सिनियर कॅटेगरी मेन्स अँड वुमन्स ही आम्ही घडोवन हाडटा. आणि ह्या निमतान ह्या टुर्नामेंटाक जे उपस्थित आसतले ह्या 6 दिसाच्या टुर्नामेंटाक हे सगळ्या एका कार्यक्रमाक उपस्थित आसतले साधारणशे 1300 पार्टिसिपेंट आयज मेरेन आमचे कडेन रजिस्टर्ड जाल्ले आहा. आणि ल्हान भुरगे असलेल्या कारणान सटन अंडर 10, अंडर 13, अंडर 15 असलेल्या कारणान तांचे पेरंट्सूय देशभरांसून गोंयांत येवपाची संभावना आहा. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट म्हणजे आमी एक म्हणूं येता की ट्युरिजमाकूय गोंयच्या बूस्ट मेळपाची संभावना न्हू मेळटली अशी आमची एक अपेक्षा आसा. तशेंच ह्या टुर्नामेंटाच्या निमतान हे 3 कॅटेगरी ज्यो आहा रिकर्व राऊंड, कंपाऊंड राऊंड आणि इंडियन राऊंड, हे जो टुर्नामेंट आहा हो सांगलो तसो 6 दिसाक सकाळी 7 वरांचेर तो सांजचो 7 वरां मेरेन चलतलो. आणि वेन्यू जो आहा हो दयानंद बांदोडकर स्टेडियम, इंडोर स्टेडियम पेड्यान हांगासर. सो सगळ्या प्रेस आणि मिडियान आमकां हाची कवरेज दिवची अशी आमची तुमचे कडेन अपेक्षा आहा. फुडले उलोवप चेतन कवळेकाराक करतलो.
सगळ्या येवकार आणि आता आपल्या अध्यक्षान सांगल्याप्रमाणे गोंय एक हिस्ट्री क्रिएट करपाची आसा. आर्चरी एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया, आर्चरी एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडियाची स्थापना जाल्या 50 वर्सां जाली. आणि ह्या 50 वर्सांत गोवा आर्चरी एसोसिएशन एक मोठो पांय चल्लो आसा तो इंडोर आर्चरी. ही इंडोर आर्चरी वर्ल्ड आर्चरीन आसा. आमची रेग्युलर फील्ड आर्चरी आसा ती ओपन आसा ती चालतात, पण ही आता फर्स्ट टायम इन इंडिया जाता. आणि म्हाका दिसता हो इतिहास जावपाचो आसा आणि फावंडेशन म्हणटा ते गोवा करपाचो आसा. आणि आता अध्यक्षान सांगल्या प्रमाणे आमचे पार्टिसिपंट 1300 जाल्ले आसा. आणि तातूंत थोडे इंटरनॅशनल पार्टिसिपंट आसतले, थोडे ऑलिम्पियन्स येवंक शकता. आमचे पॅरा ऑलिम्पियन सुद्दां आमचे रेग्युलर हितून पार्टिसिपेट करतले. आमी तांकां सगळ्यांक परवानगी दिल्ली आसा. आणि हांगासर फेडरेशनाचे 20 टेक्निकल ऑफिशियल हे सकाळ 7 सुरू जाता ती सांजची 7 पर्यंत आमी कॉम्पिटिशन चालू दवरतले. आणि हेचो आमी आनी एक सांगपाचें हाका मॅडल्स आनी सर्टिफिकेट्स आसा. त्या शिवाय फर्स्ट टायम कॅश प्रायजूय दितले. कॅश प्रायज 10 लाखाचो असो तेजो मोल जावन आसा सगळ्या कॅटेगरीन टोटल. आणि आमचे 1300 पार्टिसिपंट असे डिवायड जाल्ले आसा. अंडर 10 150 पार्टिसिपंट अंडर 13 175, अंडर 15 परचे 150, अंडर 18 225, अंडर 21 268 आणि सिनियरान कमीत कमी 300 मेन आनी वुमन पार्टिसिपेट जातले. आमी एंट्री चालूच आसा, एंट्री दवरली आसा, अजून पासून एंट्री भरत आसा. लास्ट डे पर्यंत तांकां लेट तांकां लेट एंट्री घेवपाचें आमी आमच्या एसोसिएशनान मान्य केल्यात आनी ह्याचो खर्च कमीत कमी आमकां 1.20 कोटी खर्च येतलो. कितें सगळे इक्विपमेंट, कॅश प्रायज, एकोमोडेशन धरून आमकां हो खर्च जाता आनी हो स्वता आमी एसोसिएशनान उचललेलो आसा. सरकारचो आमकां जे आसा तेंको कांय ना. आमी कोणें बारीक बारीक स्पॉन्सर मेळटा त्या प्रमाणे आमी तो खर्च उचलतले आनी आमी आशा करता की तुमी सगळे प्रेस आनी मिडिया हे आमकां तुमचो फूल तेंको दितलो. कितें ही वर्ल्डाक रिले जातली, वर्ल्डाक हो स्कोर वतलो, वर्ल्डाक नोट जातलो कितें स्कोर करता तो. सो आमचो टायअप आसा आनी अशीच जर ही बरी ही कॉम्पिटिशन जर सक्सेसफूल जालें, नेक्स्ट इयर आमचो दुसरो पांयो जावन आसतलो तो आनी एक वयर एशियन लेवलाक पार्टिसिपेट ऑर्गनायज करपाची आमकां परवानगी. आमचो डॉक्टर जॉरीस तो इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल जज जावन आसा आनी तो एक दोतोर आसल्या कारणान तो तेणें आर्चरीक आपलें फूल लायफ झोगलेलें आसा आनी ताज्या गायडन्सान आमी ताणीच म्हाका आयडिया दिली आनी त्याच्याच गायडन्सान आमी ही आयोजीत करता. आनी मागता हांव परत प्रेसा कडेन की आमकां तुमचो पूर्ण सहयोग दिवचो आनी ही आर्चरी कॉम्पिटिशन सगळ्यांत बरी जावची अशी अपेक्षा करता. देव मागता हांव डॉक्टर जॉरिसा कडेन ताणी 2 उतरां सांगची ह्या कॉम्पिटिशना बद्दल.
Respected President Sri Kiran, Vice President of Archery Association Sri Chetan Kavlekar, Secretary General of Amateur Archery Association of Goa Jason, and Joint Secretary of Archery Aji, and respected friends. So Archery Association of India is very happy that Goa Archery Association has come forward to do the first indoor archery event, which is being done, going to happen from tomorrow onwards. From Archery Association of India, actually our dream is to become best in the world. So for that we need many type of competitions. For that we have now started many national tournaments. After the nationals, still we thought that we need more international type exposure of. So we have started the national ranking tournaments. For the women's, we are doing the women in RIT, and now we are starting the indoors. And for the first time last year, we started actually the Archery Premier League also, which was something which World Archery also appreciated. So we hope that we have a good tournament here. We wish all the best for all the archers. I have seen some entries where we are getting some international archers also coming in. So I hope we have a good tournament. Thank you.
Yeah,
Just
so
that indoor archery is being held for the very first time, and any sport indoor has different playing conditions than the outdoor. So what can we expect in sense of entertainment or from the point of view of excitement for spectators to come? How different if you compare?
Actually, the tournament will be, see, the scores is, the difference is, the scoring system itself is different. See, the qualification for the outdoor is in 720, this is in 600. And since it's only 18 meters and a small target, the difference between the score will be, I think it will be very, very, very minor. So if you are that much constant only, you will get here, because there is no outdoor factors to
No way.
and it's, and say the score sheet for the compound and the recurve are also different. For the compound, the tens are half the size of the recurves. So it will be a little bit exciting to watch.
so there is a 2 organization, outdoor and indoor also of archery.
Actually, say whatever organizations are there in India or whatever, World Archery is doing one type of competition which is indoor, outdoor and field. So whatever World Archery is recognized will be recognized by Archery Association of India. And Archery Association of India is the only recognized association in India which is done by World Archery. So for Archery Association of India, Amateur Archery Association of Goa is the only recognized body. Whatever archery events are done for World Archery should be done by Amateur Archery.
This indoor archery is being organized for the first time. So why we choose Goa to host for this unique event?
Actually, there is no specific reason of why Goa, but in the last AGM there was a discussion. So 3-4 states came forward, and we found that Goa will be a good destination because this is an open tournament also. So it's more than we need to get more participants for the first time. So Goa is also a good tourist place. So we want to get more. Basically, it's to get more participants.
चेतन वेगवेगळे एंट्री नंबर आयला अंडर 10 डिफरंट अंडर 15. सो कशा तरेन तुमी कॉम्पिटिशन स्टार्ट करता पयल्या दिसा कितें खंयचे एज ग्रुप स्टार्ट करता?
First, we are going to start with under 10, 24th, followed by under 13, 25th.
फुल डे अंडर 10 चलतले
A full day. It will start, and medal ceremony will be held on the same day. So
फायनल पर्यंत
yeah.
Everything will be on the same.
Everything will be on the same. So it's going to be, that's why I said from 7 to 7 it will be
And actually,
continuous.
this all will be individual matches.
The player who are participating in the outdoor archery, it will become difficult to participate in the indoor, maybe the technical.
It's not that much because see what happens in the worldwide is that usually after the off season, that means in world it starts say after October, the winter season starts. So usually in the winter season from November onwards to February, the World Cups, World Archery is doing the World Cups. That is happening from actually November to February. So there will be a shift in between, and in India particularly we are having a rainy season. So for that we are trying to fit it here, so that it will be, there is not much difference there. Yes, in some cases there is a difference, but I don't know for seasoned archers there won't be much difference.
The reason behind holding at this time is we wanted participants especially from the lower age group, so all are on holidays, and we have also seen that our international archers are also not affected by this because they are also going to take part, so they also get a free time in this time. That's why we chose this month and these days, so that everybody will get a chance, because our calendar is so full that now soon next month we are going for World Championships, Asian Championship. So the calendar is full, so we had a lot of time. We have to look into the gap and organize this. And especially when you hold school children will not have holidays, then if you hold in the next month, June and July. So taking that into consideration, we have organized this in this month. Everything and all the students having holidays, we chose this.
गोंयांतल्यान कितले पार्टिसिपंट?
गोंयांत 50च्या वयर आसा.
सगळे एज ग्रुप सिनियर?
हय सगळे.
Total in all age.
Yeah. There are categories, no?
Yeah.
Under 10.
All
so
category,
all
including all categories,
Yeah.
more than 50.
Yeah. आणि एक हे release
पुढे पाहिजे
Hello.